Good morning students. Welcome to biology online class. In last session we have discussed about sexual mode of reproduction. In this main part is flower. Flower is a sexual organ of the plant and it present four parts. Already you know there is a sepals, petals, stamen and pistil. Pistil otherwise known as carpel. In this flower sexual organs are known as pistil and stamen. These two are known as sexual organs. Pistil and stamen are known as sexual organs of a flower. Okay. In this unisexual flower is present only stamen or pistil. That's why this flower is known as incomplete flower. This flower is known as incomplete flower. A flower is containing pistil and stamen both. This is known as complete flower or bisexual flower. Bisexual flower, datura, hibiscus, these are the bisexual flower. Then example of unisexual flowers are some types of bottle gourd, bitter gourd, cucumber, lady's finger. This is all known as unisexual flower. You know already. Next is pollination. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a flower is known as pollination. It is the stigma of a two types is there. The pollination also two types, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a same flower is known as self-pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of another flower of same species is known as cross-pollination. Okay, then self-pollination, which characters are present in the parent plant? Same characters are present in the young plant. There is quality of plant like high yielding capacity, disease resistant capacity, and they are growing any type of soils of the capacity which is present in the parent plant. Same characters are present in the young plant also. Next, another one is cross-pollination. In cross-pollination done by the seeds, is desirable characters are present in the young plant. Then avoid the unnecessary characters which are present in the parent plant. For example, parent plant having less disease resistant capacity, low yielding capacity, they are not growing any type of soils. This capacity is not present in the parent plant. By done the cross-pollination, these all types of desirable characters are present in the young plant. The young plant having more high yielding capacity and disease resistant capacity, it growing any type of soils. These all are desirable characters are present in the young plant which are done by cross pollination. Genetically good characters are present in the young plant. Okay, this is also in last class we have completed. Next, discuss about pollinatory agents. Pollinatory agents means they are birds, insects, and air, water, animals are known as pollinatory agents. There is birds and insects. Many plants are pollination done by birds and insects. Many plants pollination is done by flowers and done by birds and insects. Okay. Then birds which are pollinating by birds and insects, the flowers are more attractive colors. The flowers are more attractive colors and they emitted a sweet smell. Then done by the pollination by birds and insects. In sometimes the insects are sitting on the flower. The insects are sitting on the flower to suck the nectar. At this time, some of the pollen grains are attached to the body of insect. The same insect is sitting to another flower. The pollen grains are released into another flower. That result, the pollination is done by insects. This is cross pollination done by insects. The insects are absent that there is not done by the pollination. They are not formed by fruits and seeds also. That's why farmers should not spray over amount of insecticides and pesticides. It is destroy the nature. Okay, many insects are there. Honeybees, beetles, moth, and this type of insects are done by the pollination. Done by the pollination. Even birds and animals also. Same way is transferring characters from one flower to another flower. That's why they are known as pollinatory agents. Let us now we will discuss about the topic is pollination by air. Pollination by air means wind. Pollination by wind. There is wind or air. Which are pollinating by wind or air? The flowers are not attractive and no odor. There is not attractive. Attractive and odor. Odor means smell. There is not attractive and smell also. Not smell also. Not emitted a sweet smell. There is pollen grains are very small. Pollen grains are small and light. Pollen grains are small and light. Light in weight. That's why then wind blow. Immediately these pollen grains also transferring through the air from one place to another place. Through the air, the pollen grains are transferring from one place to another place. For example, wheat and maize. These are the example of pollinating wind or air. Some of the pollination is done by wind or air. Which are pollination is done by wind? The flowers are not attractive and odor. No smell also. This type of plants are releasing more pollen grains. These pollen grains are very small and light in weight. Very small and light in weight. Okay, this is through the wind, it transferring from one place to another place. For example, wheat and maize are pollinating through the wind. Next, by water. Pollination through the water. Water also is one of the important of pollinatory agents. For example, Vallisneria. Vallisneria is an aquatic plant. Vallisneria is a aquatic plant. Means water plant. It is a water plant. It is present in the water. It is present in the water. It is a submerged plant. It presents male flowers and female flowers. Male flowers are present in the form of bunches below the water. Below the water. Then female flowers. Female flowers are present in the surface of the water. Female flowers are present at surface of the water. It is a Vallisneria. Vallisneria. Vallisneria is an aquatic plant. Vallisneria is an aquatic plant. Live in water. It presents male flower. Male plant and female plant. It is a male flower. Male flower. And it is a female flower. Female flower. Okay. When male flower is producing male gametes in the form of bunches. In the form of bunches. Then female flowers. Female flower is float on the surface of the water. The female flower is float on the surface of the water. Pollination that is present in the submerged plant. Means it not present in the bottom or surface. It is middle. It present in the middle of the water. When the male flower is mature or ripe and releasing by the male gametes like pollen grains. These are known as male gametes. And releasing by male gametes. These male gametes are transferring through the water. Transferring through the water and reach to the female flower. Reach to the female flower. Then done by the fertilization. Fusion of male and female gametes is known as fertilization. It is an example of Pollination. Pollination is an aquatic plant. It is pollination through the water. Pollination through the water. It is live in the submerged water. Then male flowers are producing bunches under the water, and female flowers are producing float on the surface of the water. Female flowers are float on the surface of the water. Once the male flower is mature or ripe and releasing by male gametes or pollen grains. Male gametes means pollen grains. Releasing by pollen grains, it is float through on the water. It is moving through the water from one place to another place. Then reach the female flower. Then done by the fertilization. Then fusion of male and female gamete is known as fertilization. Here is the female flower is present. Female gamete like ovules. Female gametes are ovules. Female flower is present. Then female gametes is ovules. Female gametes are ovules. It is fertilization is done by water. Next, another one is fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gametes. Fusion of male and female gametes. Female gametes is known as fertilization. In the fertilization, the pollen grains are reached to the stigma of a flower. The pollen grains are reached to the stigma of a flower. Pollen grains are reached to the stigma of a flower, and it presents the ovules also. It is pistil. It is a style, and it is known as stigma. It is a ovary, and it is ovules. Okay, listen. Then fusion of male and female gametes is known as fertilization. Is known as fertilization. Okay. Then pollen grains. The pollen grains are entered. Pollen grains are male gametes. Pollen grains are male gametes. It enters the stigma of a flower and it producing the pollen tube. It producing the pollen tube and it enter into the ovary and ovules. Ovary and ovules. Ovary. Ovules are female gametes. Ovules are female gametes. Then done by the fertilization. After fertilization, the ovary is developed into fruit and ovules are developed into seeds. Ovules are developed into seeds. The pollen grains are male gametes. The male gametes are reach or enter to the stigma of a flower and it producing a small tube-like structure is known as pollen tube. The pollen tube is entered to the ovules and done by the fertilization. And after fertilization, the ovary is developed into fruit. The ovules are developed into seeds. It is about the